So here I've got a shotgun shell holder for the Viper 5.5 millimeter shotgun, and I've 3D printed it. These are the little shells. I'm looking for something to store them in. You can see they'll drop in, but they fall out. And so I've come up with an idea. I'm going to, on this design, I've got slits cut into the holder here, and I'm going to insert some pliable silicone tubing to act as sort of a spring. And so I'm going to use this dental tool here to install the silicone tubing down into the slit there. And the slits run the entire length of this extrusion. You can see they come all the way through. So I'm going to put the tubing down maybe about halfway, and I'll probably follow it up with some kind of adhesive to make sure they don't come out. So I'll just put them in there, and I feel like they may not come out. Let's see how this works. I put the shell in. So it goes in, and I'll put one over here on this one. Goes in, and they don't come out, but you can take them out, and you can feel there's like a tension on it there. That's exactly what I'm looking for. It was a little hard to achieve with the 3D print plastic because the plastic wasn't very pliable. So I decided to come up with this solution here using the silicone tubing, which it's very soft. And I'll probably follow that up with some kind of adhesive, like I say. We'll see how this works. And this is for the Viper 5.5 millimeter shotgun. There's no convenient way to carry the shells. They're kind of small. And so I wanted to come up with some way here. I'm going to attach this to the side of the gun, so they'll always be handy when the gun is around. And it would have been nice if they would have designed that feature into the gun itself. I would have. So there we go. I've got the tubing installed on that one. I've got another one here. You can see the tubing is about halfway down inside the extrusion there. And pretty easy to do. Yeah, I think that's going to work well. Shells stay in and they don't fall out. And so you can see these are live shells. You can see they still have the shot capsule inside. This one's a spent shell. You can see it's just a hollow tube. But it's a good place to store the shells even after they're fired, because I do reload these. And so next I'm going to attach this to the gun.